It begins quietly. A full moon rises, bright and silver in the dark sky. For a moment, it feels eternal, calm, and unchanging. Then, slowly, that brilliance fades. The edges darken, the light slips away, and before our eyes, the moon bleeds into red. Why does Earth's cold shadow turn the moon to fire? To understand that, we must step into a perfect alignment, a cosmic dance between the sun, the earth, and the moon. Once in a while, they line up so precisely that our planet stands directly between its star and its satellite. The Earth blocks the sunlight that usually paints the moon white. But here's the strange part. The moon doesn't disappear. Instead, it glows with a deep and haunting crimson. And the reason lies in the air we breathe. When sunlight hits Earth's atmosphere, it scatters. Blue light, short and restless, spreads in every direction and paints our skies blue. But red light, long and patient, bends around the edges of Earth and slips through its shadow. That scarlet glow passes through thousands of sunsets and sunrises happening all over the world at once, and it wand, and it falls upon the face of the moon. So when we see a blood moon, we are not watching darkness, but every sunset on Earth reflected together in space. According to NASA, the color depends on our atmosphere. Dust, volcanic ash, even wildfire smoke can deepen its tone, turning it from copper to crimson. Each eclipse becomes a record of Earth's breath, a silent trace of the air we live in. But there's a deeper wonder. Lunar eclipses have no sound and no warning, only a rhythm that's repeated for billions of years. Ancient civilizations feared them. Today, we can measure them to the second. Yet the feeling remains the same, awe and quiet, a reminder that we live inside a vast and delicate geometry of light. So the next time you see the moon turn red, remember, you're watching your planet's shadow painted by the light of 1,000 horizons. The world hides its biggest stories in silence. If this story sparked your curiosity, like the video, share it with someone who loves the stars, subscribe for more wonders of science, and tell us in the comments what cosmic mystery you want us to explore next.